I paid strangers on Fiverr to retouch my professional photography. I sent them this photo and told them, send me your best retouch. I chose editors with prices ranging from $5 all the way up to $200. We got a good variety here. I'm so excited to see what each retoucher is gonna give us. And also, I've never seen the retouches before, so we're gonna react to these and look at them for the very first time. They were delivered this morning. They're fresh. I don't know why I think I'm talking about donuts. Yeah, I'm always thinking about food. Also want to mention the model in this photo, my friend Sophia. Please check her out. I'm going to have her link in the description. Thank you, Sophia, for letting me use your picture. First one is $7.25. For this process, I would usually go back and forth with the retoucher, give them instructions on what I would want retouched, make refinements and adjustments for this video. Again, just for fun, just to see what they come up with. So we're not doing any of that. Again, I'm not holding them accountable. Like if they didn't do something that I wanted, because I didn't even tell them what I wanted. I just said to give me the best retouch. Thanks again for your order. Did I order from him before? I'm over here like, okay, let's open this up. Okay, wow. So zooming in here, you guys know the first thing I gotta do is just zoom in real close. And I know this isn't full res. I'm gonna open it full res in just a second, but upon first glance, it doesn't look like anything was changed as far as the colors go or the background. You wanna know what was done? You gotta do before and after. You just got to. Okay, so that's before, that's after. Wow. Okay, that surprised me. Okay, now that I am seeing the before and after, I can definitely tell that a lot of refinements were made, and I really appreciate it. Wow, he even fixed this little area here, like a piece of her hair, and he cleaned up Sophia's hair over here. He got rid of the lines on her neck. Oh, and he even fixed this area here. You guys notice that we forgot to tuck that in. Sometimes it happens. He also added a bit of peach tone. A peach tone. He added peach tones to her skin, it seems like, just a little bit. He also cleaned up the lines under here. I like the fact that he was looking at these small refinements. So we're zooming in real close. Skin retouch, I mean, it's not bad for $5. He cleaned up the skin. It looks like there is a bit of blurriness. You know, you lose some of that detail in the skin, like especially here. And especially right there in the neck, you can tell that Gaussian blur was present in that classroom. That was the skin before. That was the skin after. Honestly, very solid work. $5 is not bad. It's not bad. The next one, the total price was $23. So let's see. I feel like this is Christmas morning. I'm just opening up all these gifts today. Here you go. I've attached both the original and retouched photo for you. Very concise, straight to the point. Let's see. Okay. Wait, what is this? Oh, this is the original. I was like, dude, that scared me for a sec. I was like, wait, did he literally just send me back my picture? Okay. So he's doing the before and after for us. I like that. Okay, thank you. I mean, image looks a lot brighter, but I don't know that he did that much, to be honest with you. This is before, and this is after. I mean, he got rid of her moles right there. I personally would have kept those. I know some photographers who get rid of them, some keep them. I personally don't retouch them out. I don't know, not a lot was done. He did clean up the flyaways up here. You know, if I were him, I would have removed this area right there because it kind of sticks out now. I feel like it's an okay retouch overall. Like, I'm not wowed by it. I think it's just okay. He could have done a little bit more. Maybe he could have retouched in like a pigeon right there, or like a donut. And I don't even know. I'm just hungry. I am a little disappointed. I was kind of expecting a little, you know, even just throw in like a tone curve on here. Photo filter, anything, hue saturation, even bump up the vibrance a little. I feel like the $5 retoucher gave us a little bit more. He did way more. Anyways, thank you to the $20 retoucher. Let's go on to $50, shall we? Next one up is $52.50. Oh my God. said, first of all, let me tell you, I love your videos. Not only because of the content you bring, but also because of your personality. Thank you you are so sweet. Thank you, Diana. She gave me so many options. Wow. Okay, let's take a look at them. She always does a good job. Wow. Even with the watermark, it's looking good. What? I'm about to post it with the watermark on my portfolio. So this is before. This is after. Wow. She got rid of all of the Vans? She's on my favorites forever. Let's zoom into that skin retouch. That skin retouch. Beautiful skin retouch. Beautiful. She fixed up the hair as well. Do you guys see that hairline right there? Look at, see these little flyaways? Removed all of them, fixed up the background. She even cleaned up the dress. I mean, that dress, it was pretty wrinkled. Like it was my fault. It's totally my fault. It looks a lot better without the Vans, I'll tell you that. Probably should have shot this without the Vans. She got rid of all these Vans. These guys don't have a car. They gotta take an Uber now. She made it look so seamless. She blended it in really nicely. So this is before the top part of her dress. And this is after. I could never. I have a hard time just retouching the face and the neck. Now, to retouch clothes, I don't know about that. Look at that. She got rid of that entire thing. What incredible work. You are so talented, Diana. Thank you so much. This is so good. You changed my life though with this retouch. Now we're moving on to $105. I don't even know what to. I gotta drink some water before we look at this one. Jesse, your image is on. Dude, I just gotta say, the thumbnail is looking fire. Oh my God, so good. Your image is done. I'm sending the photo in 2 formats: JPEG for personal use, TIFF for printing, commercial use. In case you need any additional fixes, I'm here. They are the sweetest, I swear. I love them. I love you guys. Is that weird to say? This looks better than anything I've ever retouched in my life. Just the preview, the low res preview right here. It's interesting because some retouchers send you different versions. Some send you one version. Everybody's different. Okay. What? Oh my God. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say other than wow. That is crazy. That is so crazy. Where do I begin here? Okay, the background. Let's start at the background. We have a plan. We're focused. Okay, so the background cleaned up completely. It looks so natural. I don't know how this was done. You literally added a whole new landscape. It's like you went there yourself and then built, you like planted a tree right there, and then the tree sprouted, and I actually took the picture there. That's what it looks like. Hair has been cleaned up. The neck was pushed in as well. The dress was also cleaned up so well. Wrinkles, and the zipper is gone, and the little string thing, I don't even know what it's called, but that's also gone. That was removed. I gotta do a zoom in. We gotta see. Wow. This is just really great. The bronze, shiny, glowy, glossy look. So great. And the hair was done so well. It looks very neat. Here's a zoom in on the face before, and here's a zoom in after. The toning was done perfectly for this. It has that warmth to the photo, but it still looks very natural, and it fits the photo that I took, in my opinion. Me as a retoucher, I don't like change the neck or face or anything like that. Some photographers request that, and some retouchers do that. I would have just told her like, hey, don't make any of those modifications. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Are super talented. You're incredible. I love it. These videos are so fun to do because you get to see a different artist's perspective of your photo. Let's take a look at the most expensive retouch, priced at $225.75. You guys know I'm claiming that on my taxes this year. I'm writing it off. Can I do that? I can do that. I think the price for the retouch was $185, but I paid extra to have 1-day delivery. Thank you so much for letting me retouch this beautiful portrait. It's so cute. You're welcome. Thank you for retouching it. I created a couple of different versions with different contrast tone. I prefer the first. So that's before. That's after. Wow. I can definitely see all the little things that she did. This is more of a subtle retouch in my opinion, but I still think it's really great. You know, she did clean up things like the top of the dress, the little string thing. I don't even know what it's called, but she also got rid of that. Zipper's still there. I'm not even mad that the zipper's still there because I was shocked that the other retouchers even removed it in the first place. So here's a zoom in on this retouch. Looks really clean. By the way, the model Sophia is so amazing. You guys need to check her out on Instagram. It's a very solid retouch, really clean. I think she did a great job focusing on those small details. She even sent me her own before and after. She is so sweet. I don't even know what to say. That was a roller coaster of emotions. Also, I'm going to be doing another video like this, but instead of knowing the prices, I'm actually going to be guessing to see which retouch I think is which price point. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. You guys actually requested this. You left me comments. You're like, can you do another video, but just guessing which one you think is $5 and which one you think is $100? So I was like, yeah, let's do it. So check out that one. It'll be up hopefully soon, and I would love to thank the retouchers yet again for working on my image. Always appreciate you guys, and thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.